I was passing by as I was walking and I found these pretty purple flowers. Hold on. Can you see them? Are they showing up? Yeah, like a whole little small little field of these purple flowers. Hold on. I'm going to... Can you see them if I zoom in a little bit? Hold on. Aren't they beautiful? I do not know what type of flower this is. I've seen them before many times, but I don't really know what they are. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. Do you see that ant? I'm zooming in on the ant. It's pretty cool. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And hope you enjoy this video. This little field of beautiful purple flowers. And it keeps going too. Till next time, guys.